everyone, welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, we're doing a room tour review of a room here at Econo Lodge in North Kansas City, Missouri. So let's go and check it out. And if you look at the top, it does look like there is some roof work going on. They've got shingles there, so that's kind of good to see. And there's a sign here that the parking lot here is private parking. If you're not staying here or you don't have permission, you're not supposed to park here, and you could be fined as well as have your vehicle towed away. This is the rear side of the hotel. Now I do have to say the accommodations are sparse. Other than a soda machine and a snack machine, and of course a washer and dryer, there are no outside extra amenities. There's no pool, no weight room, nothing like that. All right, here is my room at the Econo Lodge here in North Kansas City. There's a little bathroom. We'll come around to that in just a minute here. First, here. Ooh, I like I've got a license plate picture of the states. Each state is cut out from a piece of a license plate from that state. That's pretty cool. King size bed, mini fridge, a microwave, drawers are on these nightstands here. Stand over here. Old table and desk. Nice big AC. Chair. Overall, not too bad. No carpet, which is nice. I mean, it's easier to clean up and to see the mess. There's a mess, so that's good. Let's check the fridge out here. Mini fridge is clean. A little sink there. Mirror. It's like an infinity mirror. Ooh. There's another mirror on the side. It's kind of cool. Bathroom, small bathroom. Once again, the tub is not completely clean. There is some hair there. I don't understand that aspect. Now this is different. This has got the toilet, the flush is on the top there. Let's see if the toilet's clean underneath. It is. Is that as good? Toilet is clean. So something I noticed, the sink does not have a stopper. Now while it's nice to have a chair there, I will say this chair is broken. You can see the broken bits and stuff standing there. Oh, this thing, it sits low. It sits really, really low. I will say, it does seem like there should be a little bit more light in this room. Like another lamp there on that nightstand. Or over here, another light, perhaps on the desk. Or something. So it does lack a little bit of light overall. Alright, real quick. Do you want to uncover the sheets? Make sure there's no major stains in the way or anything like that. No bed bugs scurrying away. Anything moving. Sheets seem clean. Pillowcases. At least this pillowcase has a few stains on it. I think let's get rid of that pillow then. Ew. Other ones seem okay. Alright. And here's the view outside my window. However, due to the humidity, you really can't see much. It's not very much of a view. It's better than the view I had at the place I stayed before, but it just shows you kind of the back area of the hotel and the parking lot there. So, yeah. Well, this has been a room tour, a short overview of my room here at the Econo Lodge in North Kansas City, Missouri. So overall, it's not that bad of a room, honestly, compared to where I stayed just the previous night, the previous accommodations. This is a slight step up, so that is good. This is more how things kind of hotel stays would have been when I was younger, and places we stayed that were like such as Days Inn and things like that. They were more of this quality than what they have seemed to have become. So this motel, it's a step above there. So it's good. It'll be I won't be here very much anyway, other than to sleep. So I'm satisfied with the accommodations. This has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. If there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about some future video you would like to see me do, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you've enjoyed this adventure, or any of the adventures in TV land, you can help support this channel by going to either Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon and become a member or make a donation there. You can also support this channel by hitting the super thanks button below. It's the little heart with the money sign in it from YouTube. You can hit that and make a one-time donation to Adventures in TV Land as well. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.